Okay guys, this is a superpower user. Keep cooking with the KingDude tip for you. When you're making your flying monk pancakes, I got my butter, I've got my Torbinado sugar, and I put about the same amount of nice hot water out of the hot water dispenser. And then you just want to fork this up. And you can dissolve this right here. This is what is really the secret ingredient because you're mixing your sugar and your butter into the actual batter. Whisk that around until that butter dissolves. And now you've got your slurry. And that's how I do it to make the flying monk pancakes. Okay, so now we're ready to assemble the flying monk pancakes. Milk, 2 egg yolks. I whisk them up. There's my slurry, and now 1/2 teaspoon of this beautiful Mexican vanilla. Your dry ingredients, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 cup of Hayden Mills. This is heirloom flour, and then we have our eggs. You can see those peaks are high. That really is the ingredient that makes the flying monk pancakes fly. And what you want to do is put your dry ingredients in. And yes, I have a 1/2 teaspoon. To have a little salt and everything. And then you're just going to work that around. No, I'm not using a whisk. I just want to fold that egg white into that. See how the batter is now becoming 4. Add a little star right there. Here. Note, I am not using a whisk. Gradually, it will all dissolve and make one beautiful batter. See that? That's egg white. And this is what's going to give the pancake that fluffiness. And the end result is this. You can see there's lumps. Lumpy is not just a character on Leave It to Beaver. Lumpy is our friend. It's good to have lumps. They're fine. Don't panic. Don't bring the whisk in. We're ready to go to the grill. And this is what they look like when they're cooking. To the level of the pancake so you can see how thick that is? Out of that thin batter, that's your egg whites working with your baking powder. And we're at the halfway point. I just turned them. And again, nice and beautiful golden brown. Look at that. Eye level shot. Look at that. See how thick they are? That is how a flying monk pancake is supposed to look. And the finished product. Look at that. Don't they just look delicious? Look at that. Bushies. Nice and fluffy those are. Those are your flying monk pancakes. I'm Mike Church. This was another episode of Cooking with the KingDude. Join us at cooking.mikechurch.com. What do you think, Buckshot? Want to eat some pancakes? I think he does. Say hi, Buckshot. Everybody say hi to Buckshot. Oh, there's Buckshot. He's the mascot. Look at that pancake. Look at, I think he wants a pancake. I think he wants one. Okay, for the final taste test. Does Buckshot like flying monk pancakes? Sit down. Hey, be a good boy. Sit down. Stay. Stay. Eat you some pancakes. That's it. Does he like them? Oh, is it good? I think Buckshot approves. Oh, yeah. You got every bite. Well, that's it, folks. If the Boston Terrier loved the pancake, he wants more. Look. You know that was a good pancake. Okay, folks, this has been another episode of Cooking with the KingDude. Flying monk pancakes, Buckshot approved. See, that's what's left of what Buckshot did not eat. Get the recipe at cooking.mikechurch.com. Me and Buckshot will see y'all next time. Until then, God bless you, Mary keep you, and get you a Boston Terrier. What you think, Mike?